Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Volvo XC60. Follow along as I break down engine options, ride feel, cabin comfort, safety features, cargo space, and typical ownership costs to help you decide which SUV fits your priorities. I explain where each model excels and where compromises appear, so you can weigh performance versus practicality and long-term value when choosing between these two premium crossovers. I discuss powertrains, steering feel, and daily driving impressions for both models, noting how horsepower, torque delivery, and suspension tuning shape real-world behavior. Expect the BMW to reward spirited driving with quicker response and heavier lateral grip, while the Volvo trades a bit of excitement for smoother highway cruising and refined noise control. Consider towing capability, brake feel, and available drive modes when evaluating which driving character suits your needs. If you are finding this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for prepping lunches, holding sauces, and fitting neatly in car consoles between drives, which is perfect for test day or long commutes with the family. I find them durable, easy to clean, and they stop spills in the cargo area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I cover cabin layout, materials, infotainment usability, and the safety systems that matter most to daily life, including driver assists and crash protection. The Volvo stands out for safety features and intuitive controls, while the BMW impresses with premium finishes and cargo flexibility. I'll also touch on ownership costs like maintenance intervals, warranty coverage, and expected resale value, so you can factor total cost into your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.